Looking to whip up a tasty and healthy dish for the whole family? Then this broccoli and cauliflower casserole recipe is just what you need. First, chop the broccoli and cauliflower into small, neat pieces and arrange them in a baking dish. Next, prep the other veggies. Finely dice the onion, carrot, and bell pepper. And cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Heat up a pan, add a bit of olive oil, and sauté the onion and carrot until golden. Then toss in the bell pepper and let everything simmer together for a bit. While the veggies are cooking, let's make the sauce. Start by chopping up some dill and parsley. In a bowl, crack 4 eggs and whisk them well. Add a pinch of salt and your favorite herbs. Pour in some milk, mix again. Then stir in flour until the mixture is smooth. For an extra touch of flavor, add some finely chopped parsley and dill. Stir again and bring our sauce to a smooth consistency. Now, back to the baking dish. Place the sautéed veggies on top of the broccoli and cauliflower, then pour the creamy sauce over everything. The final touch? Sprinkle the whole thing with grated cheese. Pop it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for about 30 minutes. And that's it. A fragrant, hearty, and healthy broccoli and cauliflower casserole is ready to go. This dish is sure to win over your loved ones. Give it a try and savor every bite.